Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the top 10 ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods have proven to be effective in the ever-evolving online landscape. Number 1. Freelancing. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer your skills in the areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. All you have to do is set up an Upwork account or Fiverr account. Edit your profile to suit your offerings, and watch how people patronize your expertise. Remember, you don't have to necessarily gain a skill in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. You can be a freelancer by getting the job and giving it to an expert while you pay them a commission. Or you use AI tools. Two very common AI tools for writing are ChatGPT and GravityWrite. Check this video description links for downloading ChatGPT and signing up for GravityWrite. They are both easy to use and do not require any special skill. All you need is your Android device or a laptop and you are good to go. Now, for graphic designing, the best AI tool is Canva. It's also easy to use. For programming, Coursera and Udemy will help you out. Number 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Next, consider starting an online store for dropshipping business. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up shop and sell products worldwide. The fantastic thing here is that you do not need to own any of these products before you can start selling and making money online. Check the video description for links that will help you set up a Shopify and WooCommerce account. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains a powerful method. Promote products or services through your blog, website, or social media and earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Expert Naira is the popular affiliate marketing platform that exists. Number 4. Online courses and ebooks. Leverage your expertise by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable provide a platform to share your knowledge. Number 5. Content creation and YouTube. If you enjoy making videos, YouTube is a great option. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Check out our next video on how to create a YouTube channel and get it monetized in less than 3 months. Number 6. Podcasting. Start a podcast on a topic you are passionate about. As your audience grows, you can monetize through sponsorship, donations, and exclusive content for subscribers. Number 7. Stock photography and videography. If you are into photography or videography, sell your work on stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each download earns you a royalty. Number 8. Online consultations. Offer your expertise as a consultant in fields like business, finance, health, or relationship through video consultations or webinars. Number 9. App development. If you are tech savvy, try your hand at app development. Create a useful app and earn money through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertisements. Number 10. Social media management. Last but not least, manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals. Many are willing to pay for experts' help in growing their online presence. Social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter pay verified users on a monthly basis. Check out our video on how to become a social media manager for more. And there you have it, folks. 10 diverse ways to make money online in 2023. Remember, success in any of these methods requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.